Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis, and do not forget to check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So this is the 4 hours chart of Euro USD. Yes, I'm in my favorite 4 hours time frame. As we all know, after the huge fall 2 weeks ago, market tried to recover this week. Yes, market tried to recover this week, but there was not much volatility in the market, or there was not much movement in the market. And I have clearly explained in my previous videos that volatility always shifts, which means that market always move from higher volatility to lower volatility and lower volatility to higher volatility. And I clearly explained that when market fell sharply here, okay, market became very volatile, then market would take risk, and as expected, market was in a resting mode this week. Therefore, market did not move sharply, or market had a very limited movement. And you can clearly see on the chart that market just traded in this range only. Okay. Apart from this particular range, I have got many lines here on the chart, so let me explain one by one. Okay. First and foremost, we have got this level 1.1726 level. Okay. So this is the most important level for the market, because this is the support. Okay. This is the support for the market, and this support level belongs to the weekly chart. As we all know, after the FOMC meeting, when dollar became very strong, euro fell sharply. Okay, almost all the support levels were shattered. There was no support level in the market. And the good news is, okay, market tried to recover from the low price of the previous week. Therefore, market is trying to form a temporary support here. But apart from this temporary support, we have got this support from the weekly chart. And this support is important because we all know that weekly chart belongs to the big boys, the big players. Therefore, we have got two support levels in the chart right now. 1.1726 from the weekly chart and 1.1845 as the temporary support from this chart only. Okay, I can clearly show you in the weekly chart for a better understanding. So we can clearly see on the weekly chart of Euro USD that after this huge red candle, market respected the low price that it formed, and market tried to recover from the low price only. Therefore, market is trying to form a temporary support here. That is a good news, and this is the support level that I was talking about. Okay. So apart from these two levels, we do not have much to see or much to get from the weekly chart. Okay. So let's jump to the 4 hours chart. So this is the support 2, and this is the support 1, or the temporary support. Apart from these two levels, you can see that I have got one more level here, and this is the temporary resistance for the market, which is the range of the market. And right now market is trading in this range only. Okay, this is the range of the market, so this is acting as a resistance for the market, 1.1970. Apart from this level, okay, you can clearly see that I have also a trend line drawn here, and you can see that this trend line is acting as a resistance for the market. Plus, we have the 50 moving average also coming down, which is also acting as a resistance for the market. Therefore, we have got dual resistance for the market. Okay, we have got dual resistance, 50 moving average and the trend line. Therefore, market will be facing some trouble to cross these levels. And if I take you to the dollar index chart, you can clearly see that, okay, market has formed three doji kind of candlestick pattern with price rejection from below. I clearly explained in my previous video that after this massive three candles, okay, these three massive candles, market will go for a pullback, and as expected, market did go for a pullback, and right now market is trying to recover. And looking at the present condition of the chart, if there is no bad news about the US dollar, then US dollar will really try to recover, and it will try to go up like this. And this is the resistance and the target for the US dollar, 93.35. So looking at the present chart formation of US dollar, then it seems that US dollar will remain bullish and will be going up. And if US dollar starts going upside, then euro will fall. Okay, and we have already seen on the euro USD chart that it has got many resistances here. And looking at the present chart formation, okay, the upside, okay, of euro is very limited. Okay, this is my website. Okay, in my website you can consult this forex sentiment meter. In the forex sentiment meter also you can see that euro, okay, this is the euro USD, and you can see 41% traders have taken short position, whereas 58% traders have taken long position. So traders are also very much confused. They also do not know, they also do not have the clear picture where the euro USD will move. As a result, we are getting a mixed signal here. 41% on the short side, 58% on the long side. Therefore, okay, we do not have a clear picture from the forex sentiment meter also. And if I take you to the forex heat map, okay, this heat map is a extremely useful tool for traders, for forex traders. So please use this forex heat map and the forex sentiment meter in your trading journey. You'll get this free of cost in my website. I'll be pasting down the link in the description box. Anyways, okay, this is the forex heat map, and this is the euro USD, and you can easily see that in the 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minutes, okay, euro USD does not have any proper movement on the chart. Okay. More or less in the forex heat map also we can clearly see that for euro USD remain flat. Therefore, market does not have a clear picture right now where the euro USD will go. Yes, the good news is euro USD tried to recover from this particular low point, but as we all know, for a trend reversal we need a V pattern, and right now we do not have the V pattern yet, but we have got multiple resistances for the chart right now. So what should be a strategy then? For the strategy of euro USD, okay, so if you look at the chart right now, then you can easily see that there is not much movement in the market. And if there is not much movement in the market, then it is very hard for us to make money. Okay, so let the market open on Monday and just try to see how the price reacts. If you see that price is rejecting or price is not unable to cross this level, okay, in your charting platform, draw this trend line in the 4 hours time frame and just apply the 50 moving average, a simple 50 moving average, and just try to observe the price. If you see that market is unable to cross the resistance, market does not have the strength, bulls does not have the required strength to take the price upward, okay, and if you see some good selling pressure, then you can short the market at the resistance. Because if we consider the present position of the market, then the position to short the market seems good enough. But let the market open on Monday. If you see some good selling pressure or shorting opportunity, then only short the market. In case if you see the market has formed a green candle here and market is trying to recover, then do not short the market. Your duty as a trader is to observe the market, try to read the market emotion, try to read the chart, try to understand the market psychology. If you see that price is struggling, price is unable to cross the resistance levels, then you can short the market. I'm not saying that you'll be making big money, okay, but still that will be the proper trade for you. And let's see how the market reacts, okay, because market is not much volatile, so therefore you cannot expect huge profit, but still you can make quick profit. And looking at the present chart right now, this is the only opportunity, or the only best opportunity right now, okay. In case market crosses this trend line or the resistance, then do not trade, okay. Only short the market if market fails to cross the resistance and starts going down. That is the only trading opportunity right now. And as there is not much volatility in the market, do not expect huge profit, but that will be a good trade, okay. Okay, on the other hand, you can go for buying opportunity at this level, at this support level, if market starts bounce from this level. As I've clearly mentioned, do not expect much profit because right now market is trading in a particular range. As long as market crosses this range, do not expect huge profit. Let's see how the market reacts on Monday. Thank you so much. Bye bye.